What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to Living Life Fast. Today you join me for another drift session, but this time in my Dodge Hellcat, which you can see just over there. We are back at Learn to Drift in Birmingham. This time I've been invited by somebody called Nick. Nick actually sold me the E46 M3, which I recently gave away on LLF Games. Excuse the bags in the eyes. I've had about 2-3 hours sleep. Today's going to be interesting because it's not just a circle. We've actually got a track set up. I am in no way any type of drift king. Listen to that thing. Wow. Look at that as well. That's got a V8 M5 engine in it. Got a man like Emma. I've made sure she's got duct tape underneath today. So don't worry, we're all good. So yeah, hopefully Ricky doesn't crash this Hellcat. But yeah, enjoy the video. Before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel and make sure bell notifications are set to all so you're notified the second I release a video. So yeah, social distancing is being taken very serious today. Emma, are you actually going to give it a go? You're not on it?
There's too many people.
We already got Oscar on the gimbal, getting them mad cutaways. Have a listen to this E36. It looks like a 318 supercharged or something. Listen to this. Hear it. Mate, that sounds epic. How we doing, Nick? You right, mate?
Good, yeah, cool. We're going to start off in a little 323 46, which is just a little cheap drift car. Get you feeling the corners, get you introducing you to the hydro handbrake and learning that, and then basically, hopefully we'll get you to connect the track today. It's a little bit difficult to explain, but you need to maintain a higher wheel speed than the front wheel speed or the actual speed that you're doing. So you need to continue the wheel speed at you know, 30, 50%, sometimes 100% more than the speed that you're actually doing. So you might be doing 40 miles an hour real time, but your actual rear wheels are doing 80 to 100 miles an hour, depending on what gear you're in. As you pull the handbrake, you need to put your foot on the clutch to disengage the rear wheels, because if you don't disengage the rear wheels, you're going to stall the car. I didn't fit a hydro into my drift car for about 2 years so that I could learn it without a hydro, because the hydro is kind of, it helps with initiation, but it's really there as a backup when you go wrong, you know, with the steering and the throttle, really. A lot of people use it to initiate. I try and teach not to, you know, just to try and initiate on the throttle is the best way. So
right, Nick, let's go. Right, so Nick, you're gonna show me a little practice lap.
We'll have a little play first of all. I'll give you a little showing with no handbrake to start with.
Yeah. Straight in the deep end.
In first gear. Try and maintain the revs up, keep moderating the throttle.
Sick. Right, let's do this, Nick. Okay. Not so great there, Nick. Come on, Ricky, we got this.
between that sort of motion.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to cross over because it feels more natural. But some people do it like that, with one hand.
Yeah.
That's not really the best way to do it. You want to be in this sort of motion so that you can catch it and be quicker on it, sort of thing. For your first go, you've got the hang of it. Really, it's not easy. Some people just cannot do it. So you've already got a natural talent. Obviously, you've played about in a car park.
Yeah, I'll let them mess about. Yeah.
But yeah, I'll let you carry on going out there. Let me just get this guy to wet the track a little bit.
Looking like an amateur right now. Come on, Ricky. Yeah, fucking hell, man. I need to get a car ASAP.
That cost me 700 quid to buy.
That's what I mean, man.
100 quid for the handbrake setup, and
yeah,
some copper wires and a flare install.
Wow, done like that.
900 quid, you got a fucking brilliant drifter.
Right, so a quick little update. Obviously, I'm having a sick day. I'm about to go out in the E39 M5. I want to quickly get out in this as well, because you can see it's getting a little bit dark. Probably got about 20 minutes until the sun sets. But yeah, honestly, such a sick day. I've probably done around 20-30 laps off camera. This is always what I've asked for in a drift car. Just leave me and just let me do my thing. Never really been into using hydraulic handbrakes and stuff like that. But my God, listen to that thing. That is just a savage. But yeah, just want to quickly update you. We're gonna go out in the E39 M5 and then we'll try and get out in the Hellcat. My light Nick. Oi. So I suggested we go out in the Hellcat, but you're saying nope. We need to build me up before we write it off, yeah?
Yeah. You'll find that this probably feels this has got a short ratio diff in it, so it's kind of built for racing. It's not built for motorway mileage. So second gear, you start off in second gear. We'll just leave you in second gear for the moment. And this, you don't really need the throttle. You're just going to need to touch the pump.
Look at the front end on it, man. About to go out in this beast. Very excited.
Reaching for the pedals or anything like that. You just need to tap the throttle. Third gear be fine, second gear will be fine. Third gear gives you more of a wheel speed. Just go around and feel what the handbrake's like first of all. Maybe don't try and drift it. Just feel how the handbrake and feel how the steering is, because it is a completely. This isn't a nail. This is a finely tuned instrument basically. So yeah, I think I like it.
Right, let's do this. BMW M5 time. Emma's like, I reckon I can do it.
Watching you, I was watching your foot and everything.
And the Hellcat, we're going to let Nick drive first, find out if the canoe actually drifts. We've got the valves in auto mode, so as he gets up in the RPM, it should.
Fucking decent turning circle for American. It's massive. This is absolutely insane.
Mate, we're in the living room. Go on, I'll give you a little slide. It's a little one. Nice.
Oh mate, it's beautiful to drift. It's just like
I told you, it's a nice light wheel, isn't it?
Steering does make it really easy as well.
I know, that's what I mean,
Like,
the light wheel, right?
Yeah, totally, yeah.
Come on, Ricky, sort it out.
You scared me then. Okay. Alright, let me out.
Yeah, we're done.